Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I'm going to show you how to make a blackberry cobbler. You're going to need 2½ cups of blackberries, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk. You want to have unsalted butter, and you're going to use baking powder and some salt. Now go ahead and put the berries and the sugar into a larger bowl or in a saucepan like I did here. And I'm just mixing the sugar and the berries together, and you want to kind of do that a little lightly. You don't want to crush up the berries too much. So just stir it to where it's evenly coated, and you're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes to half an hour, and that sugar will bring out the juices in the berries. Now to a mixing bowl, you want to go ahead and add 1 cup of flour, now add 2 teaspoons of the baking powder, and add ½ teaspoon of salt. Now stir the dry ingredients together just so that way it gets mixed in really well. Now add 1 cup of milk to your dry ingredients. Now add your 1 stick of butter that's melted. And you want to go ahead and stir this really well. I usually push the batter up against the side of the bowl, and that kind of helps to mash some of the lumps of flour that are still there. And I continue to do that until I get it where it's the batter is really smooth. Now once you've finished mixing the batter, it should have a smooth consistency like that. Now I took a 9 by 13 inch pan, and I just added just a little bit of canola spray to it, just with a paper towel, and I sprayed a little bit on the bottom of the pan. I wanted to make sure it didn't stick. With the butter that's in the recipe, you probably can skip this step. I'm just being cautious here just to make sure. Now go ahead and take the batter and go ahead and you want to spread this evenly on the bottom, just as much as you can. Get it as even as you can. And then you're going to take the berries that were sitting in the sugar, which now you can see how it made the juice come out of those berries. You're just going to spoon that evenly onto the top of the batter. Now put this in the oven on 350 for about 45 minutes. Depending on your oven, it may take less or longer. You want it to be golden brown when you take it out. Now once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it set up a little bit. And you can serve it with ice cream or whipped cream, whichever you'd like. And it would make a nice summer, springtime type dessert to have. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank y'all again. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day.